This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making an easy soy sauce chicken recipe.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
There are many variations of soy sauce chicken. Everyone has their own style. This is mine. I keep it simple while retaining all the flavors that you would expect from a soy sauce chicken. We'll start by frying 5 slices of ginger, slightly smashed to release its flavor. 4 cloves of garlic, also smashed. 1 stalk of green onion, and meat spices. That's 1 stick of cinnamon, 2 star anise, 2 cardamoms, and 4 cloves. Fry all these ingredients till it's fragrant. You can buy meat spices separately or pre-packaged ones from the provision shops. It usually costs less than $1. Alternatively, you can use 1 teaspoon of pie spice powder. Now add 50 grams of rock sugar. Fry the rock sugar till it starts to caramelize. If you don't have rock sugar, you can substitute it with regular white sugar. Add 600 ml of water. You want to add the water first before the soy sauce. Otherwise, you may just burn the soy sauce and get that bitter taste. Add 50 ml of Shaoxing wine, 50 ml of light soy sauce, and 80 ml of dark soy sauce. Try using a better quality soy sauce. It makes a huge difference in taste. The lower quality soy sauce contains lots of colouring and flavouring and does not give you the depth of flavour. Bring the sauce to a boil. What you have here now is essentially a red braising sauce used in Chinese cooking for all types of meats and tofu. Taste the braising sauce at this time. It should be slightly salty with a hint of sweetness. The flavours will concentrate as the liquid cooks down, so it shouldn't be too salty at this time. Put in the chicken. This is a medium chicken that weighs about 1 kilogram. The amount of liquid you use will depend on the size of your pot. You want the liquid to cover at least halfway up the chicken, so add more liquid if needed. Cover the chicken and simmer over medium-low heat. Turn the chicken over every 10 minutes for a total of 30 minutes of simmering time. Easy soy sauce chicken. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.